And what we're going to do is take apart our S107 and we're going to cut the wires. We're still using the standard 150 milliamp battery. We're going to cut the wires just like that, and we're going to remove the LED out of here to reduce weight and use less power. So we pull that guy out and throw it away. The second modification we're going to make is removing these rear tail stabilizer bars. Don't need them. And so we're just going to pull these off of here. Like that. And pull those off. Out of here. Out of here. And you see it still stays stable. This is a solid piece right here, so it's fine. And now we put it back together.